Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your bank account. So let's begin by logging into your Payoneer account. Once you're logged in, if you have balance here, you can just click here and to check your balance on your card and account. And then what you need to do is go to your withdraw and convert page and then click withdraw to bank. For it, then select your balance. If you have USD balance, then click this and then select your bank. And then if you have money, you need at least $50 for bank withdrawal. So enter your amount here and then click review. Let me show you the steps here. So this will be like this, and you can see your exchange rate. And then once you click withdraw, you will see a notification like this. Your funds are on the way. And that's it. Also, keep in mind the charges like for withdrawals, Payoneer charges 3% and more depending on your location. And it may take typically 2 business days for your funds to reach your bank account. And that's all there is to it. If there are any more questions or if you can withdraw money, simply uh, talk to their support team and tell them their issue and they will solve it. And that's it.